Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, in last class, what you were, how many of you solved your worksheet?
Sir, I solved, sir.
Half.
Half?
Yes, sir.
Q half?
Sir, actually, we got some work from our school also. Like, we have to write our assignments.
Hmm.
So I didn't get time for the worksheet to complete it
So
totally.
assignment लिखने में how long will you take, यार?
So for each subject, we have like 6-7 experiments to write.
Okay. See, that is why I would like to keep the test. Why? Because if I give a questions, what will happen is you people are not submitting on time. Do you want me to conduct the test or give the worksheets? Tell me. See, which option you would like to choose?
Sir, test.
Exams. Yeah, test.
Exam. Sir, whatever the result we get, within 1 hour you can finish it up. There is no headache at all. What is this headache, sir? Every time you're asking for the worksheet to submit again and again. If you have a test, 1 hour, if you get good marks, that's why everyone turn on your cameras. Everyone. Are you guys here? Anjali? Anjali ji, why are you absent for the last class? Hello? Hello? Guys, are you here? Can you hear my voice?
Yes,
You
sir,
was
we can.
you was in a function. So everyone turn on your cameras, I said. I'm talking to you. Everyone, guys, what is the problem? Hello? Was there any issue? I mean, is there any issue? Huh. So everyone turn on your camera. So do you want me to conduct the test or worksheets?
So you can conduct the test.
That's why because within 1 hour जो भी मिला वो मिलता है, नहीं मिला तो नहीं मिलता। एक एक घंटे में फिनिश करके हम लोग थोड़ा क्या बोलता है आराम करेंगे। ये वर्कशीट वाला क्या है रे बाबा, 2-3 तक 2 दिन 2 से 3 दिन तक कुछ भी फिनिश नहीं कर पाते हम लोग। We can't be able to finish the worksheet within till 2 to 3 days. If we have exam, we can finish it up within an hour. That's what you're thinking, huh?
No, sir, not like that.
Okay. So, okay, we'll try to conduct the exam next week. So, but worksheet I need worksheet, which is very, very important. The questions whichever I've given, that's very, very important. You need to solve all the questions for getting a command on the chapter called straight lines. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I hope we have done with straight lines, and now we'll go with the next chapter. Shall we move? Shall we move forward for the next topic?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Which topic do you want me to start with?
Sir, any chapter is fine.
You tell me which chapter you didn't cover from the school side.
Okay, so 1 second.
What about Anjali and Abhinaya? My tablet doesn't have camera. Tablet doesn't have camera. What about Abhinaya ji? See, in main intent of the taking classes, you must talk. That is what I would like to see. Actually, everyone should talk in the class. Anjali, what about you? How many chapters you have done from your school side? I mean, which chapter you did not finish?
So there are actually many chapters that we didn't complete in our school.
Okay, what are the topics from the term one I'm talking about, not term two?
So term 1, we completed everything. We have to start with limits in our school.
Okay, but limits we finished here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, term one finished. What about Abhinaya? Abhinaya, so maths 1A and 1B, what are the topics you covered?
Sir, 1A completed, sir. 1B, straight lines, it's going on, sir.
Okay, then you might be, understanding everything, right? We have discussed here as well. Then you can
Yes,
just
sir.
go there and try to understand. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Everyone should ask the doubts. I am not getting the doubts from your side. See, if you observe the class 9 and 10 students, they are asking like hell lot of dump of doubts. So I need a doubts from your side. So because no one is asking, so what is the message from that? Whether you guys are understanding or not. So what should I understand? So if you're not asking the doubt, what is the meaning of that? Whether you guys are able to understand, I mean, whether you guys understood all the concepts, or still, we need to make few any things. Still we need to make any things.
Sir, in straight lines, we completed easy questions only, sir. We did not completed mains and advanced questions.
Yes. Mains and JEE mains and advanced we didn't start. We started with only term one point of view. For CBSE children, for term one point of view only we started. So yes, for JEE mains and advanced question we need to solve. For that we need For that we need, what you call that, basic, the topics whichever we solved, the questions whichever we solved, we need to know that. If you are able to solve those questions, then only you can solve JEE questions. Is that clear? That's why we solve that. So we'll solve those questions as well. Okay.
Yes, sir. So we started recently relations chapter, sir. Just
Okay.
one lecture completed.
Relations and functions. Okay. So what they have taught, types of relations. Hmm? What they have taught in the first class. Hello, Avinaya ji.
Yes, sir.
What you finished with the relations in relations? Can you please talk about something that?
So we completed range, domain, relations, and Venn diagram. Till Venn diagram we completed, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I think.
You think, but you're not sure. You think, but you're not sure. Okay. So permutations and combinations Anjali wants to do, and Disha is fine with any chapter, and straight line JE questions will solve. That is what we'll do now. Okay. Sure. Let me write a question. Guys, what is the centroid formula? Tell me what is the centroid formula.
Sir, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3.
Let C be the centroid. Okay. Of the triangle whose vertices having vertices 3 comma minus 1, 1 comma 3, and 2 comma 4. Let P be the point of intersection of the lines x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, and 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. And then the line passing through the points C and P also passes through the point is equal to what? Solve these questions. Option A, minus 9 comma minus 7, minus 9 comma minus 6, 7 comma 6, 9 comma 7. Please everyone take a screenshot. Children, did you take a screenshot here?
Yes, sir.
Solve this question quickly. Everyone, tell me the approach. Everyone should solve and tell me the approach, how you guys are approaching. Arey yaar, tell me your approach. See, C be the center of a triangle having vertices that and that given. How can I solve it? What is the centroid here? Look at this. C is the centroid. What is the formula? X1 plus x2 plus x3 by 2. So which means 3 plus 1 plus 2 by, sorry, 3 plus 1 plus 2 by 3. Y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So minus 1 plus 3 plus 4 by 3. So what is going to be centroid now? So 6 by 3, which means 2 comma 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
2 comma 2 is my centroid. So, and also given what? Let P be the point of intersection. P be the point of intersection of the lines, this one and this one. Okay, two lines given and their point of intersection is P. Then the line passing through the points C and P also passes through what? Very good question. Point of intersection of two lines is what? Guys, uh, after this point of intersection, how can I find out point of intersection thing? You might have learned from your school, right? Haven't they taught you this?
Yes, sir. Sir, by using A1 x by plus,
Huh? A1x by?
sir, A1 x plus B1 y plus C equal to 0.
Hmm. What is that?
Then in that form, we should substitute, sir.
Hmm. To substitute, so I'm asking, see here, point of intersection of the lines given, then the line passing through the points C and P. C and P also passes through the point what? See, it passes through the centroid. Okay, C means centroid here, and P the here the point P is what? Point of intersection of these two lines. So what is the point of intersection of these the two lines? You have to find it out. Guys, point of intersection of two lines is what? How many have you done with your vectors? अरे यार देखो वेक्टर्स आपके सॉरी 12th में पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन मेरे पास ये है ट्रायंगल, ठीक है। ये सेंटर क्या है मिला मुझे, दिस इज व्हाट 2, 2 आई गॉट, एंड ये गिवन हाउ मच, ये गिवन हाउ मच 3, -1 नो, 3, -1 and 1, 3 and 2, 4. This is what the diagram we can just draw, and two lines given. What are that? Line 1 is given what? X plus 3y, x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. What is line 2? 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So point of intersection का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो, solving, after solving these two equations, whatever the x comma y coordinates you get, that is a point of intersection. देखो दोनों को सॉल्व करने से क्या मिलेगा मुझे? Solve these two equations and tell me x and y values. Solve this one and this one and tell me x and y values. Multiplying the first equation with a 3 and subtract. So what do you get? If you multiply the first equation, look at this one, 3x plus 9y minus 3 is equal to 0. Let it be as it is. So subtract. So 3x minus 3x is what? 0 here, cancel. So how much? 8y minus 4 is equal to 0. So 8y is equal to what? 4. Y is equal to what? 1/2.
So shouldn't it be 10y?
Oh my goodness, my bad. So it should be 10y. Then it will change. I thought that's a minus. Okay, 10y is equal to minus 4 is equal to 0. 10y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4/10. This can be written as what? 2/5. So if y is equal to 2/5, then what is x value? Let's say this is my second equation. This is my first equation. Substitute anywhere. I'm from the second equation. I'm substituting from second equation
So
3x
x is 1/5.
1 is equal to 0. X is equal to what? Minus 2 plus. So 5 is equal to 0. And here how much? 15x. 15x plus minus 3. X is equal to what? Minus 1/3. 1/5. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is what my point of intersection. So what he has given, look at this here. क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से समझिए. C is the centroid of the triangle. What is given, and let P be the point of intersection of the lines. Okay, P be the what? Now what is my point P now? What is point P now? Therefore, point P is what? X comma y, which is equal to how much I got? Minus 1 by 2 by 5. Yes or no? Then I know one thing here. We need to find out what here. We need to find that the line passing through the point C and P. Okay, the line passes through P and C now, and also passes through what? So look at this. I know here, line passes through. Look at this here, line passes through. Line passes through C, which is 2, 2 centroid, and point P. When a line passes through 2 points, what is the equation of the line?
So,
Y minus?
so the formula we have, no, sir.
Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So what is y? Y minus y1 is how much? This is my x1, y1. So x1 is 2, y1 is also 2. What is m here? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Yes or no? What is y2 here? 2 by 5 minus y1 divided by x1, sorry, x2 minus x1 into x minus 2. So y minus 2 is equal to, so 2 minus 10 divided by minus 1 by 10. 5 will be getting cancelled. So let me write direct step. Guys, here LCM is 5. So 5 will be getting cancelled. Yes or no? Directly I wrote. So y minus 2 is equal to minus 8 by minus 11. Minus minus gaya. तो मुझे ये बचा. This is what I left with now. So if you solve this, what do you get? 11 of y minus 2 is equal to 8 of x minus 2. All right. So 11y minus 22 is equal to 8x minus 16. 8x minus 16. So 8x minus 11y minus 16 plus 22 is equal to 0. So 8x minus 11y, how much you get here? Plus 8, right? This is what my equation of the line. And I know you have to, okay, how much? Plus 6 here, not plus 8. 22 minus 16. Okay, now which line passes, which point is passes through that? Substitute the option one by one. Let's say 9 comma minus 7. 9 comma minus 7 is going to satisfy or not? 9 comma minus 7, 9 comma minus 6. Minus 9 comma minus 7. 9 comma minus 9, 72. 77. No, option A is not possible. Substitute here. Option A is what? Minus 9 comma minus 7. If you substitute, it is not getting satisfied. So minus 9 comma minus 6. Let's see by substituting this point. So minus 72 plus 66 plus 66. Yes, minus 72 plus 72. So 0 is equal to 0. So my option is what now? B option is correct. Clear? Clear or not? People, look at this here. How the understand the try to understand the question here. C be the centroid of the triangle passes through. C is the centroid. Okay, we found the centroid by using the formula. P be the point of intersection. कभी भी point of intersection के बारे में पूछ रहा है. दो line देके he has given 2 lines and he is asking for the point of intersection. P be the point of intersection means you have to solve those two lines. So if you solve those two lines, so you will get a point of intersection. So, and that line passes through point of intersection called P as well as centroid, which means what? When a line passes through 2 points, what is the line equation we know? Y minus y1 divided by, so y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So I can substitute here. So after substitution of this, I got a line equation. So I got a line equation. So whichever the option is satisfying to that particular line equation, that is what your another point is going to be. That is what your answer is going to be. I mean, clear? Any doubts? Understand the language of the question, please. Is that clear with everyone or not?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Next. And pair of straight lines is very important actually. Look at this. Locus of centroid of the triangle whose vertices are a cos t comma a sin t comma b sin t comma minus b cos t and 1 comma 0, where t is a parameter is. Make it fast. Guys, try to think how can we solve this question. थोड़ा एक बार दिमाग लगा के सोचिए. Locus of centroid of a triangle. What do you mean by locus? Solve this question. Make it fast. Pick. See, locus of centroid of the triangle. Triangle is talking about. I do not know whose vertex has given that this one, and this one. So I have a triangle here. So let's say that A is what here? A cos t, comma A sin t. And let's say B is given that B sin t, comma minus B cos t. And C given that 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0, and centroid is what? X comma y. Okay, what is centroid here? X comma y. What is centroid? Tell me centroid क्या होता है? A cos t plus x1 y1, sorry, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma A sin t हाँ, तो this is what my centroid. So what do you get here? Look at this. Is equal to क्या है? हाँ, substitute here. What do you get? This is my x comma y. Yes or no? Centroid is equal to what? X comma y is equal to this. So here x comma y is equal to this one means this is my x and this is my y. Yes or no? So which means a cos t plus b sin t plus 1 by 3 is equal to x. So a sin t minus b cos t plus 0 by 3 is equal to y. Is that clear, guys? Ordered pair concept. X coordinate, I'm just comparing x coordinate, I mean abscissa with abscissa and ordinate with ordinate. Guys, how many of you know? इधर a का वैल्यू क्या है? What is a value? 2. What is b value? 3. A is what here? Abscissa. B is what? Ordinate. A is x coordinate. B is y coordinate. Yes or no? Like that. So a cos t plus b sin t plus 1 is equal to 3x. So a cos t plus b sin t is equal to 3x minus 1. This is what I got. Similarly, a sin t minus b cos t is equal to 3y. Okay. So now look at it. This is my equation number 1. Let's say this is my equation number 2. What we have to find out here? Locus. We have to find out locus. Locus. Look at this. Add this. Add 1 and 2. 1 plus 2. If I add 1 plus 2, what I get? 3x minus 1. Adding and squaring. I'm adding and squaring on both sides. So I'm squaring and adding both. So if I do so, look at this. A cos t plus b sin t whole square plus a sin t. थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन बहुत बड़ा है, चलता है कोई ना. Children, are you able to understand, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Now what do you get? Solve this. हमारा आंसर आ गया. If you solve this, you will get the answer. So let this be as it is. Look at it. So why I'm just adding like this? How did you get an idea that we need to square and add? Add. So look at the options. देखो 3x minus 1 whole square है मेरे पास, तो 9y square चाहिए मुझे. तो every so option A deleted, D also deleted. Either option B or C is correct here. Why? Because look at this here. I got 3x minus 1 whole square here plus 9y whole square. तो मुझे चाहिए ये वाला राइट हैंड पार्ट चाहिए मुझे. सो मुझे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड मिल गया. देखो 3x minus whole square plus 9y square. 9y square is nothing but what? Option, look at this. Option B or C both are correct. I mean Either anyone can be correct. So let's decide which one is correct accurately. So here I have minus, here I have plus. So let's have a look at this. So let it be as it is. Sorry, here 3y square only, not 9y square. Solve this. What do you get? A square cos square t plus b square, a plus b whole square formula, plus 2ab sin t into cos t plus a square sin square t plus b square cos square t minus 2ab sin t cos t plus minus, both will be getting cancelled. Yes or no? 3x minus 1 whole square plus 3y whole square. So look at this. If you compare this one and this one, what do you get? A square common. So sin square t plus cos square t. Look at it, this one and this one. B square common. What do you get? Which option is correct now? You might have understood now. Clear or not? Very easy. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. So a square into 1 is 1 only. Plus b square into 1. So 3x minus 1 whole square plus 3y whole square is equal to a square plus b square is my final answer. Which option is correct now? Which option is correct? Option C is correct. Option C is correct. So guys, you have to filter the option immediately. See, I filter my option here itself. By looking at this point, I filtered. Oh, option A and D is not possible. 3x minus 1 whole square I have. So it could be either B option or C option. So A square minus B square, B option is there. A square plus B square and the D, C option. So I'm getting A square plus B square here after calculation. Yes or no? People clear?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Yes. We don't have anything to worry much. We don't have anything. Yes. Okay. Chalo. Okay, next question. These all are previous year JEE questions. Okay. Children, you know what is locus? What is locus? Tell me, you must tell. Arey. Hello. What is locus? Avinaya, tell me. You should tell. Actually, your 1B first lesson is locus only, no?
Sir,
Hello.
second lesson.
What is the first lesson?
2D coordinates, sir.
2D coordinates. Oh, second lesson. What is second lesson?
Locus, sir.
Third,
Change of axis.
fourth pair of straight lines.
Yes, sir. Fifth, pair
Pair
of
of straight. Acha. But those theorems are very important. Dozen theorems you will be having. Dozen.
Yes, sir.
12 theorems. In that fourth theorem is very important. So I remember when I was studying that. So very important. For us, locus was the first lesson, I think. Yeah, but don't know. I don't remember. Okay, which lesson is first? What is locus here? Locus is nothing but what? Point of set of all points. Set of all points whose position, set of all points, set of all points whose position defined by certain rules. Basically, locus is nothing but what? Set of all points. And whose position, set of all points whose position determined or satisfies, determines or satisfied by certain conditions or a specified conditions. Set of all points whose position determined by specified conditions is what called as locus. So that is what we have found the locus here in the previous question. Now we'll go ahead. Very important question. One more thing. Let say that A is what? 2 comma minus 3. Disha and Anjali, are you guys able to understand, ma?
Yes, sir, we are able to.
Yes. You are unable to or able to?
Able to, sir.
Acha. Of a triangle ABC. Okay. Triangle ABC. If the I'm solving couple of centroid relation related questions. Centroid of this triangle moves on the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 1, then the locus of the vertex C is the line is equal to dash. Let me give the options. Option A, 3x minus 2y is equal to 3. I think CBSE will be very easy than state board actually. State board syllabus will be somewhat difficult. Difficult means depth. Difficult, I won't say difficult, very easy only, but depth of the concept is very high. State board depth will be more than CBSE board. Make it fast. Solve this question. A, B, be the vertices of a triangle ABC. If the centroid of the triangle moves on the line, we have to find out C coordinate here. Understand the language of the question here. मेरे पास A coordinate है क्या है 2 comma minus 3 and B coordinate क्या है मेरे पास 2 comma minus 1. C I need to find out. I need to find out C value. ठीक है. Then the locus of the vertex C. Locus of the vertex C is what? A and B be the vertices of a triangle ABC. If the centroid of this triangle moves on the line, centroid of the triangle moves on this line, which means after finding a centroid, okay, after finding a centroid on the line, this centroid, whatever the centroid you get here, that moves on this line, which means that particular centroid should satisfy that equation. Okay, so how can you solve this? Simple. Tell me. Very, very simple. I do not know C point here. Let me take कुछ भी ले लो x comma y or let me say any constant a comma b. A comma b मैंने ले लिया a comma b. ठीक है. तो मेरा सेंट्राइड क्या होता है? सेंट्राइड तो बता दो. टेल मी सेंट्राइड इज व्हाट? 2 minus 2 plus a by 3 comma minus 3 plus 1 plus b by 3. Do you agree with my point? So a by 3 comma minus b minus 2 by 3. Yes or no? And this is my centroid here. It lies on what? Lies on the line. Which line? What is that line? 2x plus 3y lies on this line then the locus of the vertex is what? So which means what? Substitute here, कुछ भी नहीं है. This is my x coordinate, this is my y coordinate. Substitute in this equation. What you get? What will you get? Look at this. A by 3 comma, not comma, sorry, plus 3y 2 minus b, not 2 minus b minus 2 we have, or minus 2 plus b. Simply you write minus 2b only here by 3 is equal to 1. Solve this. 2a by 3 minus 6 plus 3b by, or simply you cancel 3 here. So minus 2 my plus b is equal to 1. Okay. Solve this. 2a minus 6 plus 3b LCM. After taking LCM, this is what I'm getting. 2a plus 3b minus 9 is equal to 0. Which one? So therefore, what is the locus now? Therefore, this is my locus of C is equal to what? This one. All right. So 2a. Acha, he has given in terms of x comma y. So let me take here x comma y. X comma y. So look at this here. Substitute here. What you get? 2x plus 3y minus is equal to 9. So this is my answer. Any doubt? 2x plus 3y. देखो कहाँ है? 2x plus. This is my answer. Any doubts बेटा? कुछ doubt है इधर? This is a 2004 JEE mains question. Hello. One more beautiful question will solve. Guys, any doubts here? Tell me. Hello. Hello.
No doubts, sir. Easy question.
Easy question, right? Very good. Next question. If the sum of the slopes of the lines given by x square minus 2 cxy minus 7y square is equal to 0 is 4 times their product C has the value. Look at this. Option A minus 2, option B minus 1, option C 2, option D 1. Sum of the slopes of the line is 4 times their product. This is a homework question to everyone. Please do solve this. Okay, let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.